Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds SOUNDCORE C40i. To enter prank mode, just open the charging case. If your earbuds have no more connection, it will enter to prank mode automatically and you will see it at the device list. But also we can enter to prank mode manually. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button until this LED light starts flashing like what I have right now. Yeah, it's flashing. And now you can pair your earbuds with your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.